Guys, what is this? Whoa. You guys won't believe what I just caught. All right, guys, this is going to be how to throw a cast net. You can get this from Walmart, super cheap. This is the Red Horn series. The net size is a 3 foot. The mesh size 3x8. You can pick this up at Walmart and you can throw this super easy. I like the 3 foot because it's really easy to use. What you want to do, you want to wrap the handle around your wrist like this. There's a loop. You want to just bring that through. Then it's going to loop around your hand. So that way when you throw it, it's not going to leave you. Then what you want to do, you want to wrap it around your arm like this. Wrap, wrap, wrap until you get to this piece right here. Then you're gonna grab that and have all this in your hand like this. All right, so now you bring this red piece up. You're gonna grab that one hand, and you come to the bottom, you grab one of those beads. You're gonna grab it with this hand. Then you're gonna come down some and open it up, and you're ready to throw. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use this motion here to cast it out. It's gonna make a big disc and it's gonna go down into the water. We'll see what we get. All right, that was kind of a bad throw, but we'll see what we get. It's going down. You have to let it sink all the way to the bottom before you start reeling it in. So you wanna make sure you cast away from rocks or any structures like that because it'll tear up your net and you don't want that. You wanna be able to use your net for a long time. So you can just pull it in. All right, that caught nothing. We'll do a few more casts. And you saw just real easy reload. Throw it out there. That was a better cast. Let it sink and go ahead and bring it. Right. All right, got nothing there. The beauty with this, you can just cast it out real quick. And be able to hopefully catch something. Now what you use this for is to catch a lot of your bait fish. You can catch a lot of tilapia, panfish, bluegills, red ear sunfish. And sometimes you can catch even some bigger fish like some bass or something like that, but you're not allowed to catch bass with the cast net. You're supposed to just use a rod and reel for that. But you can catch gar, you can catch bowfin. There's just no telling what you catch with the cast net. That's why I like it so much. But today we're out here for some panfish, trying to get some gar, but time has got away from me and I have to get to work soon. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys how you can get out, buy your cast net from Walmart, and start catching you some panfish or whatever you need for bait. So who knows, I may even catch something weird. So we're gonna cast out a few more times, see what we get. All right, whoa, guys, and what did I just tell you about catching a bass on the cast net? We just got a bass on the cast net. So let's go ahead and look at this guy. Let's look at this guy. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at that. Just got a little bass on the cast net. It's crazy. We're just talking about you can catch bass on it. That's a nice catch right there. Surprising. Now, you're not allowed to use bass as bait in Florida. Other states you can, but in Florida you cannot. So, but this is a nice good one. And if we're keeping them, that'd be a good eater size. So let's get this bad boy back. See you later, guppy. Ooh, took off. Oh, I think we may have something. I feel some little taps. Oh, we got something. Oh, we got something, guys. It's actually a little red ear sunfish. Come on. Oh, what is that? A roach? Ew. It's a red ear sunfish. Or people like to call them a shell cracker. But it's a little bit too big for what we're looking for. So I'm gonna put him back. I'm gonna try for something else real quick. All right, let's put him back. Come on. Oh. Guys, what is this? Whoa. You guys won't believe what I just caught with the cast net. Let me bring this over to you guys. You guys won't believe what I just caught with this cast net. So this is a species that is not native to Florida. It's an invasive species, and it is wreaking havoc on the waterways. It is wreaking havoc on the waterways in Florida. This is what you call a placo. Oh, a placo. Plecostomus armored catfish, even though it's really a sucker fish. And so it has this really hard, bony skin. Really hard, bony skin. You hear it? And it's actually scratched me up real good. This really hard, bony skin. Come on. Really hard, bony skin. And if you hear it, it's making a noise. So what it does, it eats algae. That's what it does. It eats algae with that sucker. And they actually breathe air. So it's good for me to hold it a little bit, because they come up to the surface, get some air, and then go back to the bottom. But as you can see, they got some crazy patterns. They're an aquarium fish that people let go in the waterways, and now they just wreak havoc. But now they're all over the waterways. They're all in this water, and they are just taking over. And they cause the water to be super murky, super nasty. And that's why every chance you get, you have to take these out of the water. This is an invasive species, so I cannot put him back in the water. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna dispatch him, and a gator is gonna eat him, because there's plenty of gators out here. So I'm glad we caught this. I'm gonna go ahead and dispatch him and make him gator meat. So let me go ahead and do that, but I'm glad we actually caught this, because you can actually eat these. By the way, you can eat these. I've actually had this before, and they actually taste pretty good. But you gotta get through this hard skin, this hard scales, because they're real bony, real hard. But they're good tasting fish. I like them. So like I said, invasive species, don't put them back. Don't put them back. Yeah, this one has to go. It has to go. Yeah, look at that. No, let's go ahead, dispatch it, and something's gonna eat it. So I'm actually glad we caught this. So nice. Nice cast. This will be our last cast, guys. This will be our last cast, and then we gotta go. All right, reeling in. All right, what do we got? Okay. There's a pipe right here, which kind of sucks. Okay. Anything? No? All right, guys. Well, hey, you just saw it. We just caught a nice bass and a pleco, and I'm glad y'all got to see both. It's easy to use this cast net, and you can get this from Walmart and get you the casting. So go ahead, buy it. I forget how much it is, but they're not that expensive. There's bigger sizes, which can price up more, but this is the perfect size for you to get out there and catch you some bait or catch you whatever you're trying to catch. So we'll see y'all later. Peace. So this is my cheap $20 mic from Amazon. I just dropped in the water. We'll see if it still works. I have no idea if it's even recording, but you can see the little windbreaker piece is wet. So the light's on. I don't know. It was floating when it went in the water. That's crazy. So if this works, I'm gonna put in a good review to Amazon. Shoot, that's crazy. Well, clip you back on. Alrighty.